Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Boys, we're back in the garage after slammed enough Gatling bug, and we're here working on Mr. Kaleb's Audi A3. For those of y'all who saw my last video, y'all know that we are starting a new build on Kaleb's A3 here and making it an absolute piss missile. So anyways, we're continuing on that today. Last time we pretty much did all of the suspension stuff, like we did the sway bar, lowering springs, dog bone insert, coil grounding kit as well, and now we're gonna do a RS3 front grille, and we're also gonna be tuning the car today. He's getting the Kaleb access port in a little bit here from one of our buddies, but he's gonna flash on the EQT stage 1 tune and DSG tune. So the car is just gonna be really fast, and honestly, it's gonna cook me in a dig now with stage 1, which is absolutely stupid because traction and all-wheel drive is a thing. Who would have thought? The Glizzy is pulled out over here and the Miata is over there because Miata doesn't leave. Though I did drive it today because it was absolutely beautiful outside, and it's like nice and cool, and it's actually feeling like fall. Okay, anyways, we're getting the car jacked up. Let's go ahead and take off the bumper because we gotta do that. And hopefully it's not as bad as the GLI. It doesn't look as bad, so fingers crossed. Yes. All right, so we gotta take off the wheels because Kaleb's car is booty. Oh boy, you put them on there tight. I wonder why that happens. Nice. So just like the Jetta, we were able to pretty much move these like first couple screws here, and then there's a screw sticking up vertically that you have to kind of undo, and then it'll pop right out, I guess. Kaleb's doing that side because he's cool, and I'm too cool for school. That's why I'm a degenerate. I have to remove all of these bottom screws now. Free. There's two dudes behind a bumper. 5 feet apart because we're not. Cut forward a little bit. We got everything out of the bumper because that shit sucked. And Kaleb's working on, I guess, taking out his Audi logo because he tried to put on the existing one from his other factory grille. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. So he's taking it back out, and then we're gonna have to put in the new stuff, which, fingers crossed, is hopefully gonna be easier than taking it out, because those fucking clips, bro, it's just German car. Y'all know if you've worked on any Volkswagen, Audi, or whatever, like the clips fucking suck. So we're good, we got it. But now hopefully putting it back in, I mean, what is gonna be easier? Pause, you broke it? Just like that when I got it. You're just breaking the clips. It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put in your side ones.
If you are a masochist, you will love these cars.
Yeah! So these are the new honeycomb side vents right here. Chat, it doesn't fit. These side things are too small.
Cooked.
It's like not even close.
She's a beast.
I call her Karma.
Get your heart out.
Like Jeffrey Dahmer. Shardy's heart's on steroids because her love is so strong. Ta-da! Lick my balls, bitch.
Imagine Dragons.
Imagine dragging these nuts across your face. Toot-a-roo! If you know what that's from, drop it down below. Otherwise, no lemonade for you tomorrow. And if there's no lemonade for you tomorrow, then you should know that there's also gonna be no chicken nuggets for you tomorrow either. All right, let's not do, just leave it there. Chat, did we cook? Did he cook? I think he cooked. That shit looks so much better. He got the thingies here, but they didn't end up fitting, so I think he's gonna...
I messed up.
Yeah, but we are waiting on Mr. Jake because he unmarried his access port, so that way Kaleb can get her tuned today. We're gonna go test that shit out later because back whenever I tuned my car on like a stage 1 tune, I didn't even have a YouTube channel or like TikTok really or anything, so to show you guys. So his car is gonna have the stage 1 EQT tune and DSG tune. Yeah, we're gonna see how it is with all-wheel drive, which is kind of neat. So it's probably gonna be really fast, to be honest. It'll be fun. Anyways, he'll be here in a little bit, so we'll catch you guys soon. All right, boys, it is the day that Kaleb's gonna be a fast boy.
Tuning time.
Tuning time. So he's got the Kaleb access port and some EQT tunes, and we're gonna install them. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to like install, and then install to ECU and transmission, and then you're gonna have to confirm, do the stuff. Oh,
I can use those?
yeah. Okay, so technically it looks like the tunes actually transferred from Jake, which means you do have, so these are not the EQT tunes, but stage 1 93 launch control, Burble Sport. So you already have stage 2. Yeah, so those should actually work. So just kind of go through the prompts. We got a battery charger hooked up, by the way. It's a little one from Harbor Freight.
Putting in that work.
Yeah, putting in that work. So basically, you're just gonna let it flash and be very careful not to, you know, hit the cable with your feet or anything. And we're just gonna let it do its thing. Car's in accessory mode. We got the AC off. We got the radio turned off, like the head unit and stuff. So just trying to, you know, minimize any sort of power draw while we're doing this. The first flash always takes the longest, and you should have a battery tender. Typically, I'll be honest, I don't know if I even did when I did mine, but my battery was like pretty new. Obviously, this car's a couple years older, so it could be an older battery. You just want to make sure your car doesn't end up dying while you're flashing it. Here we are, boys. Rah, rah, rah. Rah. Car is yelling at him. 67 errors.
It's just terrifying. Every light is coming on right now.
Yep. Yeah, the first time you flash the car, it's definitely stressful. Are you excited?
Excited. I'm nervous. Mostly excited though.
We went to Korean barbecue last night, and on the way back, I was like, once you tune it, it opens up that whole wormhole and can of worms where you're like, man, 2 months later, this shit too slow now. You just always want more.
Need more power.
That's how you end up with a turbo.
Soon.
Should we put my Vortex on Kaleb's car and we do like a 660 or 770 size turbo, full frame? I feel like at that point, if I did that, I'd have to like gut the interior and just commit to making it.
You just gotta go full race car.
I just gotta commit to just ripping out the back seats, doing bucket seats in the front. Like, it wouldn't be a daily at that point.
Full send.
Full send.
I think you should do it.
What do y'all think? Should we do it? The acorns out here are violent. It's at 15%, guys. 16%, guys. All right, boys, we're going on the first initial drive with the tuned AWD A3. You know how it be.
So nervous.
Excited to see.
Oh, it says what gear I'm in now.
Yep, tuned TCU things.
I feel the power coursing through me.
I'm scared, guys. It's been a long time since I've been in a stage 1 car. That's crazy.
How long before I should do like a...
Whenever you're ready. Try just driving it a little bit with the sport mode. Just do like little pulls and ease into it and then kind of see.
Oh my god.
That already feels a lot quicker. Is that even full throttle?
No.
Yeah.
It's like half throttle.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Bro downloaded 100 horsepower.
Bro.
Yeah.
That's wild. That feels so much different.
The shift points too and like everything.
Like the shifting feels so much better and it goes.
Just wait till you can like do a launch or something on the highway here. See what I mean by opening up a can of worms?
Oh my god. Yeah, it's staying at a higher RPM now.
Yep.
In sport mode.
Yep. Use your thing.
Alright.
Also, it's gonna rev out now, so you have to shift.
Okay.
Like, just so you know, it's not gonna shift for you if you hit red line. Yeah. It's just I'd shift it like right before red line, pretty much.
6,500.
You can go a little higher. You can go 7.
Okay.
Close to 7. You know, kind of test out like what the ceiling is, because I know on my tune it's like 7,200, but I'm not sure about. I can't remember what this one is. I think it's around 6,800, 6,900. Damn.
Oh my god.
You are scooting.
I'm in third gear going 90.
In Mexico.
We're in
Mexico.
We're on
An Autobahn. Bro, it's so much faster. We're trying launch control. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my God, bro.
Dude, that's hard.
Wow.
That launched so hard.
That was, yeah. Wow.
She spun a little bit.
Yeah.
They caught it immediately.
Damn. All right, all-wheel drive is the move, I guess.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Oh my God. You weren't kidding about it waking up the car, bro.
No, bro, it's how it should have came.
Yeah.
Like,
Holy crap.
it's a lot better.
That's a nice one.
Take him.
I'd gap his ass now.
Yeah, from a dig. We gotta test out my car against his on a dig now. It's gonna cook me. How you feeling?
Dude, I'm ecstatic right now.
And you have no governor anymore. Go as fast as you want. Oh my gosh, bro.
Fuck.
That shit scoots. It's crazy because it's so quiet. Wow. Sleeper. We're gonna be building this car, boys, so y'all stay tuned. But I think that's where we're, oh wait, no pun intended. Knee slapper. Anyways, I think that's what we're gonna call the video. So if y'all enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you do subscribe, then you'll get a chocolate chip cookie. Two chocolate chips. 2 chocolate chip cookies. So, all right, catch you guys later.